Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two mini drones that are perfect for beginners and kids. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and compare the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the mini drone. The Holy Stone HS190 is available for $0, while the mini drone is priced at $69. The Holy Stone HS190 comes with one-click takeoff landing function and a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. On the other hand, the mini drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, one-key start landing button, and altitude hold function, making it simple to fly and capture high-quality footage. Both drones prioritize safety. The Holy Stone HS190 features propeller protection guards and an emergency stop function, ensuring the safety of kids from spinning propellers. Similarly, the mini drone comes with 4 propeller guards and a low-power alarm, making it safe to fly. The Holy Stone HS190 offers 3 speed modes and the altitude hold function, perfect for kids with different skill levels. On the other hand, the mini drone has 3 control modes: remote controller, app, and voice control. It even has a gravity sense mode, altitude hold mode, and headless mode, providing a variety of options for flying. The Holy Stone HS190 comes with a rechargeable battery that offers a decent flight time. Meanwhile, the mini drone includes 2 powerful rechargeable batteries, providing up to 18 to 21 minutes of flight time. Based on online reviews, customers have positive experiences with both drones. The Holy Stone HS190 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and good battery life. It is recommended for beginners and indoor entertainment. On the other hand, the mini drone is appreciated for its easy setup, great control, and responsiveness. The camera and extended flight time are highlighted as its strong features. However, some reviewers mention that the mini drone's control can be challenging and it is affected by wind. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the mini drone. Both drones have their unique features and are great options for beginners and kids. Remember to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and happy shopping.